So to install BigFuture School app on your phone, just tap Get. And yes, this app is available on iPhone. And yep, this app is only for students though who took the digital SAT and MSQT test, plus gave their phone number when they tested. Use the app to get scores, plus learn about colleges and careers. So yeah, it's a free mobile app for students 13 and over who takes this digital test or set school day in the US, and then you can just get your scores, test scores easily, connect with nonprofit colleges, get customized career information, learn about how to plan and pay for college. So yeah, that's the idea. So how to get test scores, connect with colleges and scholarships, explore careers, plan and pay for college. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just open it up, and then you can just tap continue, scroll to continue. And then that's what it is. And then sign in using your phone number. Guess the same you used when adding tests. And then yeah, that's how you sign in and get the test scores. So also with this app, you can just plan and pay for college, and just explore what possible careers you can take. However, this app doesn't have that high rating. Uh, a lot of people just, as for now, just say that they prefer website more. Some people can't log in. Some people say it doesn't work, phone number doesn't work. So yeah, that's what it is.